bench grinders. You don't have enough bench to keep them set up all the time. If you want to make yourself a bench grinder stand, don't need much to do it. Just need yourself a dodgy old car wheel, you otherwise would have been taken to the tip. Bit of steel out of your old steel rack. Just, nothing's going to cost you any money. Actually, I probably lied in my description saying it was a free bench grinder stand. Take your tyre to the tip, cost you $10 or something, but actually making your money. You've got to use a bit of 65 square. Got a bit of 75/50 in there somewhere, I'll cut up and I'll use that too. So I've missed a few steps here because I've run out of memory in my camera. But I've welded the bit of 65 into the middle of the wheel. Drilled some holes in there 75/50, welded them up here on top of there. Okay. Now, that's what she's going to look like. Okay. Righto, next you just want to get your grinders bolted up there. Using nylock nuts because the things will vibrate, so save them coming undone. Just grabbing the carbon tie and putting a power board on here. Right, as easy as that. Got your bench grinders all mounted up here, all plugged in, one cord, plug them in. If you want to move it, roll it around on its wheel. Try not the way the wheel is intended to be used, but gives you something to mount your